Hello YouTube, today I'm gonna be making a light mod for my new RC car because it doesn't come with lights. That's the only thing that I think it's missing. It's the lights because I need lights to drive at night and I need real lights to figure out if my car is going that way or this way. So let's get into it. I'll put the links in the descriptions for all the things I use in the video, as always. So, the light kit comes with 4 lights and 4 light buckets. So you can mount the lights in the body. This is the light bucket. So, in front, the bumper of the car has light buckets already from factory. So I use those. I put the bigger lights that are the white lights through here. I had just a tiny bit of hot glue around, just a tiny bit, and I put the light and hold it for a second. After that, I've put the duct tape around this part of the LED so it protects it from water. Then, to router the wires, I went right there. It's on the down part. Let's see, on the down part of the steering link, no, of the camber arm. Then I found a screw that could thread in here because this comes with a hole here. I think they leave these holes from factory just for me to do my mad scientist things. I don't know, but when I saw that hole, I thought, oh, lucky I am in this. Then I used just a washer. I glued the rubber washer with super glue to a steel washer so it wouldn't hurt the wires. And then I just found a screw, a small screw in my toolbox that could thread in here. You stretch the wires so they go to the position you want them. Now put the screw with the washers to hold the wires. Just like so. Alright, wires are good. No movement there. Here in front, to hold the wire to the front bumper, this piece of the front bumper, I just used wire. Here it's that wires that come in bread and yeah, and this is wire used in agriculture to hold plants. You can use string also. Yeah, that's that. Then the wires come to the receiver, of course, and then I cut this because the lights come all in one piece, 2 for the rear and 2 for the front. And when you move the shell of the car, you will be with the wires hanging, and I didn't like that, so I'm gonna make a plug for that. So I cut the wires. This is the rear light. Do you attach the buckets, the light buckets? You just make a small hole with a drill, small hole with a drill, just a smaller hole than the bucket. You make it smaller so the bucket goes with pressure, and you put it with pressure, and then you tighten the nut that comes with it. I put a hot glue just to protect the wire, the connection, to make it watertight. Now I'm gonna use this type of plug here because it's easier to connect and disconnect. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna do a soldering on camera because I bought a new soldering station and I already can see that now I can solder, seems like. So the problem was not the user, it was the tool. Thanks for that. So today I think I can show myself soldering. Alright, already made this solder. I have my lighter here for my my soccer, my football club that has been eliminated from the Europa League last Thursday on the penalty shootout. So yeah, this made me remember that maybe I have to change lighter for some time. I'm gonna use the helper. This helper thing does make soldering much easier. I already pre-tinned the wires with some solder. No, it's just a matter of heating the solder and spread it. Yeah, it's good. So, on camera, seems like I had luck this time. Now, the shrinking tool. All made by the book, because we don't want shorts nowhere. Then I have the plug here. Now we're going to put the plug onto the shell. I have here my bag of wires that I bought from AliExpress to make these mods. I always like to have these things. Now that I am an RC lover, I need lights in my cars. Now, going for this one. I'm going to connect the two reds together. I have wire strippers, but no need in this case because it's hard to strip these small wires without ripping them apart. I much rather do it like this. Just twist them together. Now I'm thinning the wires. It's good. Going to the black ones now. It's nice and thinned. Now we're gonna thin the plug wires. Yeah, this soldering station, I can guarantee you, if you're not well at soldering with that electric sheep irons, don't kick yourself. It's not your fault. It's good. Now the shrink tubing. And we're done. Now we have lights on this truck. And this goes for every RCs, of course. Like so. As you can see, the lights are working. The only downside that I'm gonna fix for sure is you can turn it on and off from the remote. It doesn't work. Yeah, you can see that I already put a fan on my RC. The motor did get hot on 3S for sure. So I added a fan. And now, no problem, it doesn't get hot. I'll put the link for that in the description as well. It's pretty simple to do. You just have to cut one or two things. Maybe I'll do a short video about it. And you fit it in, and this is good, this car, because the receiver has 4 plugs. 2 are free. You can use the 2 free plugs for powering lights, fans, whatever you want. So that's what I did. Alright, I hope it helps you. Lights are very good. I like them. For the price, €2. I can complain. Long wires. I just had to buy this plug, as you saw, because now I can take it off. Easy peasy. Alright, man. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like. And if you liked this content, subscribe to my channel. You won't regret it. Alright, I do things with my heart. See you next time. Bye bye.